Now I will talk about the stars. The closest star to Earth is the Sun. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers from the Earth, and it takes the Sun's rays 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Any celestial body that emits light and heat as a result of nuclear fusion is defined as a star. And that is why our sun is a star. Whereas all the celestial bodies that rotate around stars, like the Earth orbiting the sun, are defined as planets. The next closest star to Earth, other than our Sun, is Proxima Centauri, found at a distance of 40 trillion 208 billion kilometers from Earth, or 4 light years from Earth. That is to say, the light emitted from the star Proxima Centauri, that moves at a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, it takes 4 years to reach the Earth, or in other words, it takes light 4 years to travel a distance of 40 trillion 208 billion kilometers. And that's why I told you that if theoretically there was a wedding on the star Proxima Centauri, and the wedding was broadcast live to Earth, if you see those pictures of the wedding now in 2023, it actually took place in 2019, because it took the pictures 4 years to get from Proxima Centauri to Earth. And that is exactly why I said that when we look at the stars, we are actually looking into the past. A star or sun is a spherical celestial body composed of matter in a state of plasma and gas aggregation. A star, unlike a planet, produces its own radiation by nuclear fusion and emits it into outer space. The source of the energy released from stars is nuclear fusion, and it is emitted into space in the form of electromagnetic radiation and neutrino particles. According to estimates, there are approximately 7 times 10 to the power of 22 stars in the visible universe. Other estimates speak of at least 10 to the power to 24 stars. The stars in the universe are not uniformly distributed, but tend to accumulate in structures called galaxies, which in turn are organized into structures of galaxy clusters and superclusters. A galaxy cluster is a collection of many galaxies held together by a common gravitational force. A galaxy cluster can contain between hundreds and thousands of galaxies. A supercluster is a group of several galaxy clusters and galaxy groups together. The existence of superclusters shows that the galaxy clusters are not equally distributed in the universe, but are united in groups of superclusters. Superclusters are between 100 and 400 million light years across and can contain several thousand clusters nearby. Superclusters are also united in structures called great walls, which are grouped together and move through the universe as one unit. These are the largest structures known to us. The Sloan Great Wall was until January 2013 the largest known structure in the universe, and is now the second largest after huge LGQ. It is 1.37 billion light years long, and it is 1 billion light years away from Earth. Thank you very much.